Now, if I mess this up, I can just go back. I'll disappear down there. So, go here to this guy. Yes, I do.
It's a weird glitch.
Go here to this guy, and he's down, and then down here, and then I'm save, and I'll state, and go here and press
Pidgey!
Start menu. Now, Pokemon, you want Abra to teleport to the last Pokemon Center.
Eradicate?
You don't want to be all the way over there.
Oh,
now,
no. Not eradicate.
Oh, and I told you what did I tell you? I told you not to narrate, because I am.
I'm not, but it's scary. It was eradicate.
You're narrating, okay?
Fine, whatever. What if they want to hear me narrate more than you?
Well, whatever. I'm doing nursing my screen. Okay, so I'm gonna kill this person. Okay.
Wait, why'd you just do that?
Cause I'm doing that's who you need to battle. Now talk anybody but her, I believe. She gives you the weirdest but thing that still lets you move. Okay. So in any one of these cases you have to battle two people twice. Okay, so for you, I just swim. Oh, come on, you're kidding me. You're kidding me. You're kidding me. Oh, god damn it. Okay, fine. Just kill him with me. Okay. God, you're kidding me. Oh, okay. So now, I walk super slow. And those people start to freaking just... They're gone. What the fuck? And now one of them's back, and now they're both gone, and now just one of them's flashing. And now they're gone, they're fucking gone.
This is gonna be scary.
Okay, and you can't battle this guy during the glitch, haha. Oh, you can't battle him. Okay, this... Yeah. That is graphical errors right there. That sound. Just freaking weird.
It just have been playing for 11 hours. Take that.
Okay, so let's try someone else. So it does some weird things. You should really get used to the long range trainer glitch, since this does activate most of the glitches inside Pokemon Yellow. Because usually it's basically what sets up the glitch, because glitches just don't randomly happen. They need a trigger, and then they need some other things that follow. Okay, but I'm gonna talk to her. I don't know, okay, but there's pollution, there's toxic
sludge. Oh, it's this trainer. Yeah, it's the right trainer.
Huh.
And I'm battling the right trainer with Nurse Joy. I just got a Charmeleon. But I won't have him forever. No, I got stuck!
No, you didn't.
One step. I can't even open my start menu.
Oh yeah, I should bring it down.
That's what Nurse Joy does. Well, I know not to use Charmander. No, just send out Mew.
Let me try that one. The star menu.
Try to open your start menu.
I'll try.
What the hell? Oops!
Yeah.
I accidentally thought gas.
You didn't talk about.
I didn't talk. That was stupid. What happened to your game?
Oh shit.
What happens if I talk to the girl with the Squirtle? Does it explode your game?
I don't know.
Oh wait, you're not supposed to.
Yeah, she just doesn't do that. She just doesn't do this. I think she just does the guess.
I'm with the Cubone trainer. Why her? Not again! Fuck, I got stuck again!
No, dude, look, speed it up and go forward. You're not stuck.
Oh.
So, the sound is just really fucked up. It's just fucked up, okay? So, do not save in that condition, because then this route becomes that every single shit. Oh, I can kill the butterfly. And oh shit, that's great. Because that's just amazing.
I'm gonna get it up.
Poison.
I can... What the hell?
Okay, now we just go. Okay, so now we shall continue with the game and kill his Raticate. Let's go. Killing Gary's Raticate. Commence. Just
Now I'm fucking stuck.
go. Kill his Raticate. Go. Go.
Tomo,
go.
I opened the start menu once. Now I'm really stuck. I couldn't move no matter what. Not even with speed.
Yeah, let's go. Pikachu. Easy. It's just an easy. Kill it. Come on, just kill it already. Just kill it already. How did it kill it? Okay, so cut. And I just like that.
Okay, so I'm supposed to type.
I'm gonna rub his back and I'm gonna get cut. And I'm gonna leave this place because it's annoying and stupid and I don't like it. Leave me alone, let me leave. Bye. I'm sorry I didn't let you see the little animation. It's cute, but I gotta continue. So, item, and of course, I'm going to be an idiot and teach you cut, because I'm stupid. I would suggest leaving that guy either for just another long range trainer glitch, because remember, you have to battle.
I stepped on the wrong tile again.
There is no wrong tile.
Yes, there is. No matter what, look.
Look. Well.
I'm trying to figure out the name of the glitch.
Zero error.
Hey, don't spoil. You never saw. I gotta see what it is.
Oh. Okay, so I'm going to. It doesn't. It's really annoying in this gen. You have to actually go back to your thing. Well, I'll just kill you, and I'm paralyzed. Of course, I'm paralyzed.
I actually opened the start menu. Shit.
What happened?
I accidentally closed it. I'm stuck again.
Yeah, I killed her. Yeah. Now I'm paralyzed, so I have to go back and renew my stuff. So, go back and
You already
heal.
beat the gym?
Yeah. Oh, no. The third gym, good idea. How can I use cut then? Oh, yeah, that's for fly. He's for fly. I'm gonna do that, though. I'm gonna beat the third gym. That's a good idea.
Are you gonna beat the second?
I'm gonna just sweep in the thing.
Oh wait, you already beat the second.
Yeah. How can I use tackle then? I mean, not tackle. Did I
No,
just say-
it's not a glitch!
Yeah, no, just the fact that it showed up means that it's a... Okay, whoa, a Lieutenant Surge, I guess we gotta kill him now. Actually, I'm gonna try
No.
Pikachu.
Didn't know.
Oh, it's not a glitch, yeah, sure. It's not a glitch.
What is nothing?
Sometimes it's nothing, and sometimes it's just random glitch symbols. Okay, I hate this. Okay.
I'm going on
You
the
battle me.
assassin to kill his Eradicate. Because I feel like it's just fun killing people's Pokemon.
Okay, the first.
Especially your rivals.
No.
Eradicate. Mew Smash. Oh, it's a Rattata. Never mind. Kill his Rattata, Pikachu. Bulbasaur. Oh, shit.
Yeah, alright.
Oops. Shit.
Don't get on this.
Baby.
Why are you doing this to me?
No. Charmander. How did it get HP?
Yeah.
Abra. Which
Right
did you?
next to it. God damn it.
Yeah, my Abra grew to 1 level.
I can't do this.
Oh, I'm gonna do something funny. I'm gonna look in the trash. Yuck! Shouldn't have looked there. Looked. Shouldn't have looked. I don't want to say some bar. Oh, I'm in less than left. But I'm still in Vermilion. Why couldn't it take me to Secret Island?
I'm going to Secret Island.
An island. Take me somewhere else.
Oh, wait. Okay, one more. Okay, I'm gonna do a glitch. Just I don't know if this is really that impressive, but it's a glitch, and I'm gonna do it. Okay. So, the tree is right here. So what
Shit,
I'm
I
gonna
need
do
a
is
new
I'm gonna
badge.
save. Then I'm gonna
I need to beat the
reset.
second gym.
And then I'm on the tree, and I get off, and Pikachu's on the tree, and then we're both off the tree. So, yeah, that's just because the fucking game can't fucking save. It doesn't fucking save enough data for it to say, oh look! God damn it. I can never get this.
I can't believe I forgot to beat I can't believe I didn't beat the water gym.
I need to beat this guy, and then just, yeah, beat him, and then beat him.
Yeah, Pikachu.
No, yeah, I didn't die, alright.
Yeah, Pikachu.
Only trash. What is all this only trash?
I'm just gonna need to punch it out, bro.
Hey, switch. This better open up, no. Okay, you, no. You, no, you, yes. You, yes. Finally, okay. Now I can, oh, and fun fact, you can heal, and it will still stay open. It's always awesome, because unlike every other
Finally,
gym
you got slammed.
puzzle that restarts every time you do that, his actually keeps open, which is awesome. And he's got some devil horns, and go. 10 welcome to Vermilion Gym. Will you look at that? A pint sized challenger. Ha ha ha, you've got big brassy nerves to take me on with your puny power. A Pokemon battle is war, I'll show you, civilian. I'll shock you into surrender.
I have a Pikachu, so I'm not afraid of you.
God damn it. Okay, well, I can't. Because it's just one Pokemon, but I'm not gonna teach. He gives you Thunderbolt, which is awesome, but I'm not gonna teach Thunderbolt to anyone, because
Pikachu learns it.
Pikachu learns it. Oh yeah. Yeah, what he said, Pikachu. I might teach him to do, maybe. I'm
But to beat her again, because I accidentally
now
battled that
rock
return.
tunnel time.